Hello and welcome back to Arduino. In this video, I'll show how to interface a passive infrared motion sensor with Arduino. So let us go to the v.com, click on Arduino. So click on plus sign and select PIR motion sensor, passive infrared motion sensor. It has 3 pins, VCC, out and down. So triggering the sensor will drive this output pin high for 5 seconds and then it goes low so that we can detect the motion. Because we are using the simulator, we will use LED and buzzer also such that when it goes high, LED glows and the buzzer makes the sound. So consider an LED and then also a buzzer. So first we'll make the connections for buzzer and sound, connect cathode to ground. Similarly, buzzer black pin to the ground. Also, the negative pin of the PIR sensor to the ground. And then VCC to VCC plus 5 volts of the Arduino. And then we connect anode to pin 13 of Arduino. Similarly, the buzzer also to the 13 of Arduino so that we can use this pin as an output pin. We'll change the colors and now first we connect the output pin. Output pin will connect it to pin 2 of Arduino. So the connection part is completed. We'll change the color. So LED. So all ground pins will go with black. Then supply will keep it as red, and the output pins of the LED and buzzer will go with yellow because we connected to the same pin of Arduino. That is 13 pin. And we will take output pin of a PIR sensor. We'll make it as pin. Go with the color. Right. So we can clearly see the connection part. These two are just used in this program to detect the motion because this is a simulator. We cannot detect the motion. We can only see the print the output. So when this goes high, LED must glow and buzzer must make sound. When it goes low, LED should switch off and buzzer also should not make any sound. So that is why I have used LED and buzzer. Now coming to the programming section. We'll take a variable called X and initialize with 0. Now, we have used pin 2 and 13 of Arduino. So pin 13 is in the output mode because LED and buzzer are connected to that pin. And pin 2 as input. And then because we want to print whether the motion is detected or not, we can use serial dot begin with a baud rate of 9600. That's it. So initialization is over. Coming to the loop part. So we have considered a variable called X. X will take to read the digital pin to digital pin 2. That is from the sensor. Right? Next, if 2 is high, right? If X is high, so X is equal to high, then what the LED and buzzer has to do? LED has to glow. So digital write 13 as high, 13 as high. So if X is high, that is this output pin is high, 13 will, the pin 13 will be high. And then will also output onto the screen. So serial dot print ln motion detected. Because when the pin is high, the PIR sensor motion will be detected. Motion detected. Right? Okay. Now, and then the buzzer has to make sound. For that, if you know, we have a function called tone, comma, or the pin that we have used is 13, comma. The frequency of sound I want to use 512, and the buzzer has to make sound for 256 milliseconds. So the first thing is the pin to which the buzzer is connected to the Arduino. Second is the frequency of the sound, and third one is the time. So this is the one. So if it is high, pin is high. Else, so pin goes low. What we have to do? Digital dot write 13 as low, so that LED will switch off, and the buzzer also will. There will be no count on the buzzer. And then we can also print serial print motion stop. So this is the simple program. So only thing is we have to check whether it's going high or low. If it is high, obviously output will be high. Then LED will glow and buzzer will make sound. If it is low, the output will be low. So the LED will switch off and there will be no sound from the buzzer. That's it. And here I have used serial.pin so that I can print something onto the screen. So let us start the simulation. So here we forgot to put colon, semicolon, and also the braces. Motion stop. Now, if you want to simulate the sensor, see the LED is glowing, and as well as the buzzer is also making the sound. And here we can give some delay. So detected, you can hide this. You can give some delay, use some delay of 3000 milliseconds, and then again start the simulation. Motion stop. Now start the simulation and hide this. Yeah. So motion detected and the sound is produced, right? You can also change the simulation. So this is how to interface PIR sensor, passive infrared motion sensor, with Arduino. So it has 3 pins, a VCC, ground, and output pin. this pin goes high and low. So if you trigger the sensor, it will drive the output pin to high for 5 seconds and then it goes slow. You can also check here. Whenever you start the simulation, the motion is not there. Then simulate, then it goes high and after 5 seconds, immediately the motion will be stopped. For every 5 seconds, it goes slow. So this is the interfacing of PIR sensor with Arduino. And coming to the programming, so just we have to initialize which pin is we are considering as an output and to which pin PIR sensor is connected. That pin we have to consider as an input. Serial dot to begin 9600 is to output whatever you want to output onto the screen. For that we have used a serial communication. And then read the data from 2 when it goes high, then digital make 13 pin also high so that LED will glow as well as buzzer makes sound. And then for the buzzer to make sound, we have to use a function called tone. In that, we have to initialize the pin to which it is connected to Arduino, the frequency of the sound, and to how many milliseconds it has to produce the sound. So this is right. Else, when it goes low, we have just print that motion stop. So this is the program how to interface PIR sensor with Arduino. I hope you all understood.